Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to record video with only game sound. To record video with only game sound using OBS, follow these easy steps. Download and install OBS Studio. Visit the OBS project and download the Windows version. Install OBS on your PC. Run OBS as administrator. Right-click the OBS shortcut and choose Run as administrator to access all audio sources properly. Add game capture source. Click the plus button under the sources box or by right-clicking on the empty space on the sources. Then hover to add. Choose game capture, name it, and then click OK. Select your game window. And the game capture settings, choose capture specific window. And choose your game's window from the list. Then hit OK. Go to audio mixer section. Locate the audio mixer in the main OBS window. Disable unwanted audio sources. Mute or remove mic or aux, desktop audio 2, or any other input that you want in the recording. Keep only the game audio. Make sure only desktop audio is active since it carries the game sound. Adjust desktop audio levels. Set the volume of the desktop audio to a suitable level to avoid distortion. Test the audio. Check the audio levels in the OBS audio mixer to confirm that only game audio is being captured. Start the game. Launch your game. Make sure it's running and you can hear the audio from the game. And switch to OBS. Start recording. Click Start Recording and enjoy capturing your gameplay with only the game sounds recorded. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.